Hi all. I wanted to share uh, my bad experience when I purchased Google Pixel 6a. As you can see, like this phone, they offered very nicely, like very good discount. I soon landed in problems where it was having a problem in taking up the calls, and even the battery was getting exhausted. So they suggested me for a few steps, and I followed that after contacting Google support. And later it's like it didn't work out, though I was getting 10 calls. Out of this 10 calls, 5 calls were having a problem, like the screen used to get blank. So once I as per their suggestions, I just did a factory reset, and even that didn't work. So they told something like to send the details. So you can see the email conversations which I was having here, and you can see the date is November 29. And I told, like as they suggested to perform that factory reset, I told that I did that, and I even told that it's happening the same thing. And later they told to send this particular details. You can see I sent all my details. I told them like I purchased on this particular October, and I gave. Now I also attached, like I did what is, I tried to add the screenshot recorder, and when the problem occurred, I tried to record and show it. So you see, like whenever I get a call, I'm lifting the call and it's blank and closed. You can see once again, I'll show you. I got a call, I'm just lifting, it's blank and it's closing. So that was the issue. So I did what is, I sent this particular thing so that it helps them. The supports always, like they will show this particular beautiful words, that's all, but they don't do anything. They told me that it's going to take 20 business days to repair this, and they're going to give it to BTX team, and they gave me some phone number in order to contact them. And I said like I'm okay for this, and I started using my slow 3G phone. And later they told like they generated one ticket, and B2X team is going to come up for picking up that particular phone. But later you can see, like from December 2nd to December 8th, no one called. But at just a day before this particular mail, someone called me. So I told, like as they called me, I asked them to reschedule on Monday, that's all. And after that they never responded again back. And you see, even on 9th, and you can see on 10th, no one responded. And it's like I tried to contact them via a given WhatsApp number, and I just try to ask them about the status. You can see, like I just asked it like my device is ready, what's next? And I told these things. But soon you see, they received this thing. But soon one day, just I just messaged what happened, what's the status. They just told my service request is cancelled, and I asked the reason. They told go through this link and create. That's all. I'm not sure like what what reason they considered in canceling this. You see, they are saying just sorry for convenience. That's all. Now I told the same thing to the Google. Every time they will say the beautiful words, we apologize, sorry, like that, but they are doing nothing. And again, I told, you can see, December 10th, I waited for 2 more days, and I told, no one responded to me. Please solve this problem. I'm fed up with this. I just asked, if it is possible to refund my money, or give me other phone, or just tell me that it's useless and I can make it like it's a useless phone and I can throw in the dustbin, because it's a hard earned money, and they are not having value for that, and they are dreaming for giving a branded phone. And you see, even these B2X guys are not even responding. They don't have any information about the agent who is going to pick it up or something. After a lot of struggle, you can see December 12th, they are simply saying this: apologize, apologize. And I said, and they told something like, in our country, in India, they are not having any replacement or refund. Then why they providing this particular phone in India? Why can't they just do business outside India? I said, that's okay, please make it for repair. Now they just created the other request. I'm not sure what happened to the previous request. This time, after a lot of struggle, this blue dot guy who came for the pickup, and I was just asking him to show his ID card, and he was not showing. And he's saying he used to take so many costly phones also without showing ID cards, and why should I show you? I told, okay, then at least I will take your picture, because I'm trying to hand over my costly device to you. For that, he started argument. I told like I'm not going to give my phone to anyone who is behaving like that, and I will complain it to BTX. And that guy was like, you do whatever you want. So I just stopped this, and I mentioned the same thing to the Google on the same day, and they said that they are in aligning with the Blue Dot. It's on 16th, right? I said that's okay. You deal with it, but make sure like I just asked them, if you are going to say me that to give it to that particular Blue Dot guy without any proof or something, I'm okay. They said no, no, don't give like that. I got fed up. Like on 17th, I mailed them like it's waste of time for me and also for them. And I said sorry, I don't want this repair. Leave it. And these guys were saying like, we apologize. It's the same statement, right? Now he emailed me and said we deeply apologize. And I'm not sure in the next mail what they are going to say. The new word. Earlier it was sorry, then apologize, then deeply apologize. But the problem is not getting solved. And they are saying, if you see their mail, like I'll show you. You see, I will go ahead and book a repair ticket. That means he is going to create one more ticket for now. And what happened to the earlier ticket? This is the third ticket, I believe. Now, we would like to inform you that if you refuse to hand over the device, then the team will cancel the repair ticket from their end. Be assured that the device is in safe hands. Once the device is picked, you will be able to track the shipping. Shall I go ahead and repair? I'm not sure if this guy is going to solve the problem or not. I think Google is trying to get rid of the people who are going to complain on their product or something like that. I told, no need. I'm going to throw this phone in the dustbin. I'm sure that from now, I believe if someone from the Google is going to help me out. If not, as by seeing this, I'm believing it's a waste phone. I'm surely going to post the videos by throwing my phone in the several dustbins, because Google is not even caring, but they are dreaming to become a brand phone in India or the worldwide. Even I think a small brands in India are better than this. Like they will at least provide a service in 2 or 3 days. So people, I'm not even recommending you to buy it or not to buy it, but see this experience, see this beautiful customer service, and just comment your opinions in this particular video. Thank you. I hope this video will reach Google CEO and he will be appreciating his staff and the Google team for this service. Thank you.